안녕하세요 from Korea, and today I'm making naengmyeon. Naengmyeon is the perfect dish for a hot Korean summer's day because we're using cold noodles. That's what the naengmyeon means. But in particular, I'm going to be making Bibim Naengmyeon, which is the cold noodles with a little bit less water in it. The alternative is called mul-naengmyeon, and mul means water, so watery cold noodles. Something like that. But Bibim Naengmyeon, you might sound familiar because it's like bibimbap. Essentially mixed noodles with a sauce. And that's what I'll make today. So let's begin. Now I'm cheating a little bit here. I'm going to open this mul-naengmyeon packet. That's what this is. And I'm actually going to take out the broth from it. Alright. We've got 2 servings here. These are the noodles I'll be using. And of course, I've got my yuksu. This is the broth I'll be using. So I'm going to use one of these. Perfect. And we're going to put that in the freezer. Here's our broth for the naengmyeon, and it's been freezing for about 3 hours. So we're just going to put that back in the freezer until we're ready.